Welcome back to Working with Surds Part 3. We're going to simplify a surd that is multiplied by a number. So for example, 5 root 8. So from our last video, I showed you how to simplify a surd, and that's what we're going to have to do at the side first of all. So I'm going to take root 8 to the sides, find the factors of 8, 1 and 8, 2 and 4. Simplify root 8, so you get root 2 times root 4. Square root of 2 stays as it is, times the square root of 4 is 2. So we get 2 root 2. Now, what 5 root 8 means, it means 5 times root 8. So we're going to write down 5 times and replace the root 8 by its simplified form, which is 2 root 2. 5 times 2 root 2. Now what we could do is we can multiply the numbers that are not underneath a root. So the 5 and the 2 multiply together. So 5 times 2 is 10. So we're left with 10 root 2. Second example. 7 root 32. So first of all, we're going to find out the factors of root 32 so that we could simplify it. 1 times root 32, 2 times 16, and 4 times 8. Pick the pair that has a square number, and remember it's the highest square number that we're going for. So we get root 2 times root 16. Square root of 2 stays as it is, times the square root of 16 is 4. So that gives us 4 root 2. Now we go back to the question. 7 root 32 just means 7 times root 32. So 7 times, now that root 32, I'm going to replace it by the 4 root 2. So replace it by its simplified form. Then we multiply the numbers that are not under the square root. So 7 times 4 is 28, and the root 2 stays there. So 28 times root 2.